Welcome back to Bespoke Edit. I've redone the, actually which one's this one? This one's the one that's been done. That's the, I've replaced that stitch, that was broken. This is the original that is still in decent condition. The other area was just here. This row of, whoop, there we go, those stitches, the second little row there. That holds the tongue in place, stops the tongue disappearing. This one's original. Yeah, they're the original stitches. So I'm quite pleased. You know, they're it's quite discreet repairs, and I've just used a little bit of the coloured cream just to blend the linen thread. The linen thread was far too pale, very bright. So that one's a touch darker, but I could use a slightly darker. I might even use a slightly darker cream just to get the two to look exactly the same. But yeah, overall I'm really pleased with these shoes, and they're pretty much ready to get laced up and go on my feet. I just need to find a pair of matching colour laces, but they have to be flat laces for me. I won't wear around. My laces always have to be flat. I love 3mm flat laces. They're just so difficult to find, but I'm pretty sure I've got a stash of them that will be suitable. That you know, I'll find it's probably going to be a brown. These are quite orange now. I've polished them up. I don't think I'll get a lace that colour, but probably the colour of the thread stitching. That'll be the lace colour.